y'all? It's your girl Keezy, and I'm back with another video. Today, wait, y'all like my new shirt? Brianna got me this for Christmas. Yeah, so today, I'm gonna attempt a cut crease. I never did this before. I never attempted it, but we gonna work on this, and we gonna see how it come out. And my room is still a mess from yesterday. It's alright. I'll clean it. It's just like, it's not nasty. It's just chunky. Like, it's just, stuff is just not, oh crap, as you hear. Stuff is just not in place. And I am currently uploading a video for y'all. I've been uploading this video for like the last probably 2 hours. Oh, let's get into this. And my mirror is like, you see this mirror I got? I got this mirror from and it's so dirty. Ew. I got this mirror from Ross for $10. I know you could get it like at Goa or something for, or wherever, for like cheaper, but I like this one. And I like that it's like, that is rose gold. This one is dope. My phone is rose gold. Even though like my room is black and silver, I just really wanted this rose gold mirror. They did have a silver one, but I like the rose gold. Alright. Now we good. course, you can't go wrong with neutral. Y'all, I'm not good with colors. You know, I'm not the person that you wanna do color coordinating with, cause I'm probably the last. It still looks super bad. Hold on. Yeah, that look a little dramatic. Nah. Okay. This is supposed to be dark brown, but boy, I sure hope this blend right. I'm gonna leave it like this. Oh, see, I told y'all. No. I wish I had somebody here to help me. Cause I ain't good with lip colors. Shoot. I guess this don't look too bad. No, I don't. I'm gonna leave it. Well, guys, here's my cut crease attempt. It's really not even a cut crease anymore because I need to get like the right brushes to like make it sharper than what it is. And like if you see how like my eyelids like how they like just fold like that, like I got too much eyelid or something. I don't even know if that makes sense, but like I don't know how to say what I'm trying to say. Anything? I kind of blended it a little bit. Yeah. anyways, here is my cut crease attempt. I don't know if y'all want to call this a tutorial or what, but yes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Follow our social medias. They'll be in the description box below. And stay tuned for more videos because we got them coming. Thank you. Bye.
Lay down, you come up, and that up. It's been a long time, long grind, time to shine, gotta get rich. Fuck these niggas, fuck you bitches, ain't got time for y'all.